Hi guys, today we'll check it awesome by Halloween. Okay, this is going to do this. Let's go. Okay guys, it's this. Okay guys, we're back. You see that one? You see? Guys, look, just look down on there. Look down. See that? Is that tornado? Oh guys, this is tornado. Dragon. This is a dragon monster. Okay. This is a butterfly. It's just fixing the. Oh my goodness. This is robot. This is Boo-Boo's. This is Boo-Boo. Look guys, this is Boo-Boo. Because he's hollow. Because he's a dog. And that's video. You have to subscribe and like the video. Okay? Look at this. You can see the arm is good. I don't know what this is. Wait, I know it's an ice cream. Okay. Oh my god, look at this. You can't really touch it. Silly, can we touch it? Look at it. You see that bee? The bee, they have all the honey. My God, look. Oh my goodness, have ragdoll. Oh my god, look. This is cost 87. You see that? You see that? Wait, and then. It's holding on this one. You can see that all the way at the height is right here. Hold the ball. You look up. You see the Christmas cookie. And look, you can see. Look, you look at on the arm. Okay guys, look, you see this one? That's the knife. The knife is holding. visible immunity is check this for all. Hey guys, so you can see this thing. They can actually it has green hair. And then there's like green here on the next on the top of the head. And then there's even a pumpkin. Pumpkin.